Hello all, we are at Peter Pi and here is the Hynek, and he is already second time here. So Hynek, please introduce a little self.
Yeah, I'm Hynek Schlawack from Berlin, Germany, and I have the honor to be the second time here, so apparently I've done something well last year.
Yeah. What are you talked about today?
I talked about metrics in general and about the Prometheus metrics and monitoring system in particular.
Super. And what are you working on? Is this related to your daily job, or it's something just you investigated by yourself, for yourself?
No, it's completely relevant to my job because everything I bring into production has to be monitored and has to be properly instrumented so we can watch it, so we can see how it's behaving. And Prometheus was something I discovered last year, and I've been doing a lot since then, and I got excited about the possibilities and about the simplicity of the system, so I thought I'm going to share with a wider Python audience.
Oh, super. And today we're asking everybody about the local communities on the area where you spending the most of the time, maybe not living. Do you know about the local communities? Are you attended to some kind of meetups or smaller local events?
Yeah, so we do have in Berlin a few Python-related meetups. So the most famous one is the Python user group, and then there's a Django user group. I used to go to the Django one because it were nice web developer people and it was kind of relevant to my work. But nowadays I don't attend either of them because I do my community work on the internet globally.
So you are using online channels for communication with community, with attending. Then what the most useful channels for you?
I would say Twitter and IRC.
IRC, old style thing. And what do you think about the Slack?
Well, Slack is great. We use it for our own company, for our internal chat. It's also really a great step for us to have a nice chat that everybody could use, not only the technical people. I'm not too enthusiastic about a closed system being used for communication in open communities. Well, I'm not fighting it.
Okay.
But those channels I hang out around, they are much older than Slack. They're just still on IRC. So.
Okay. And what are you thinking about local communities? I mean, small local communities, about their future. So, because currently more and more conferences are created all over the world, and more online tools for communication build it, and more different services for building communities and so on. But what about local communities in the future? How do you see these Berlin groups? Will they survive in this situation, or they all will go to the online and virtual network, and that's all?
So, I think there will be always people who prefer to meet in person, and there will be always people who prefer to talk over the internet, like I am. I just don't like disappointments and to have to be at some space, and usually it just doesn't work out with my schedule. So I'm 100% certain that they will survive. There's no question about that. Sometimes you just want to be able to talk people and to exchange ideas or to just have a discussion, which can be really tiresome if you have to type out everything. So I'm not concerned about that one.
Okay. Thank you. I think that's all. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Bye.